Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey McAvoy here. Thank you for watching. If you remember in one of the previous videos I edited, I showed you that I had the visit of a martin come chew at my HT leads, and so I installed this anti-martin repellent device, which seems to be working fine, beeping away right there. Now is the time to change the HT leads, and you first have to start by identifying a reference cylinder, which by convention is usually cylinder number 1. So you first have to identify the left and right bank of cylinders, followed by the cylinder numbers. Here you have the 1357 and 2468, and the firing order 184-36572, of which I suggest you take a note while you're out there changing your HT leads. It's definitely going to help. Now, first things first is to follow the HT lead from the plug on cylinder number 1 to the distributor itself, and as this is the reference cylinder, it's the first HT lead that we are going to change, and this will enable us to change the HT leads in a much quicker and simple way. So you're going to need part number DA4104 from Britpart, which is a high quality silicon HT leads which come with a fancy dust cap for the coil. So there they are, all of mostly different lengths, so you're going to have to figure out which goes where. And as I said, first starting by cylinder number 1, just plug that in there, make sure that the connection is nice and positive. And once that is done, you can then proceed to removing all the other HT leads. Since you have taken a good note, I'm sure, of the firing order, which is, I remind, 184-36572. Now is a good moment to check the distributor cap itself. Check that everything's fine, that it's not cracked. Check the rotor arm as well, see that it's in good nick. If you have doubts, switch it out. But in this case, they are all fine. So, after cylinder number 1 is cylinder number 8, so it's most definitely the farthest from the distributor, so grab the longest HT lead and just follow through with all the others. I remind you it's 184-36572. I'm sure you took a good note of that. Some of the HT leads have a 90-degree cap on it, which most definitely go to the right bank. And here comes the coil HT lead with its fancy dust cap. Now, double check and triple check even that you got the firing order right, and that the HT leads are properly routed without any kinks or bends in it, as you wouldn't want to break the inside of these HT leads. So here comes a moment of truth. Let's hear a bit of V8 goodness.
Moment of truth. Magnificent. Great. One good thing done.
There's a bit of a rattle there. The exhaust is falling apart. There'll be another video coming soon with a new exhaust. So this little Martin, that little bastard, man, he actually gnawed and chewed at every single one of the HT leads, which I'm going to set aside because they could still serve a purpose. The engine still ran properly with these in such a state, so in case I'm green laning and somebody needs an HT lead or something, whatever, I'll just stick them in the car somewhere. Thank you all for watching, I do appreciate it. Make sure you drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll be catching you all in the next video.